Okay, we're here today to restore this flagstone floor. You see how grubby this is, very dirty on this walking area, traffic line. So we're going to restore the floor, and after we restore the floor, we're going to reseal the floor with impregnated sealer. So we'll show you what the floor is going to look like. We'll show you, what it looks like now and when we're finished. Okay? Okay, here we go. This is the floor we finished restoring and cleaning and restoring, and now it's ready to be resealed. So you can see the difference with the floor before and what it looks like after we restore the floor. It's like a brand new floor, really. So if you have a floor like this, and yes, we can restore it for you and make it look beautiful and brand new like this. Okay.